Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a brand new Hot Wheels. Let me check that copyright right away. It's a 2021, so I'm going to say this is a 2022 Hot Wheels. Ford Mustang GT Concept. Hot Wheels Rescue Series number 4 of 10 and best for track. Number 188 of 250 on the year. Track Patrol, it says it on top too. This is pretty cool looking. Dust off of it. Alright. Fearless and fast to respond. These vehicles save the day. That's what the Hot Wheels Rescue is. Or they are. Can we pop this? Nope. I actually crushed the bubble. Alright, so let's get it started. Then maybe we can pop it. Ready? Pop! Ooh, that was good. That was good feel. Good feel. Good feel. And that would have been perfect if I didn't do that. Alright. Nice. This is really sick. Feels really good in my hand. And some of you know what I mean when I say that. It just feels good. When you have the passion for something, you could feel it. It's a feeling. Plastic bottom, metal top. And the driving is on the left. See it? There it is. Made in Malaysia. 2 rivets. How does it roll? How does it roll? Wow, that's pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. Look at that. Loving it. Loving that. Oh, what's in the back? Spare tire. Track Patrol on top. That's kind of cool. For some reason. Oh, helicopter view. All right. How's it bounce? Oh, I went slow too. Let's go. Boom! How about backwards? There we go. I'm liking that. Oh, hotter. Bam! Almost made it all the way upside down. I'm in the mood to be crazy. Oh, come on. Alright, let's go backwards. Squeezing the juice. Nice! It's right there! For those of you that know what squeezing the juice is, that's from Encino Man. Encino Man. Oh, Brandon Fraser. I like it. I like it a lot. It's got plenty of drifting room. Oh! And back again we go. Oh, that was just sweet stuff. All right. Well, that's awesome. Thank you, everybody that tuned in and checked it out with me. Please subscribe to my channel, Timmy's 10 again. And till next time. T10 out!